Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a feedback system with Edmodo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a feedback system with Edmodo, start by logging into your Edmodo account. Once you are on your dashboard, navigate to the group where you want to implement the feedback system. Click on the Assignments tab located at the top of the group page. Select Create Assignment to start setting up your feedback request. In the assignment creation window, give your assignment a clear title, such as Feedback Request. Next, in the description box, be specific about the aspects you want students to focus on, such as content, clarity, or engagement. Now, set a due date for the feedback submissions to ensure timely responses. Check the box that allows students to submit their feedback as a response to the assignment. After that, click on Post to share the assignment with your group members. Once students have submitted their feedback, navigate back to the assignment to review their responses. You can provide individual comments or overall feedback directly in the comments section of each submission. If desired, you can also create a poll to gather more structured feedback from your students. To set up a poll, click on the Polls tab and choose Create Poll. Enter your question and possible answer choices that students can select from. Publish the poll, and students will be able to respond anonymously. Monitor the responses in real time to gauge student perspectives and make necessary adjustments. After gathering all feedback, compile the information to identify common themes and areas for improvement. Finally, communicate back to your class about the feedback received and any actions you plan to take based on their input. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.